don't try this on any horse. You always need to seek permission before you approach horses. Some horses can be more lively or more aggressive than other horses. Today I'm going to show you how we approach our horses safely. The first thing to remember is to wear the correct footwear. No Crocs. Boots are perfect, as horses may unintentionally step on your feet and it could really hurt. So the first thing I do is just check in on myself and have a think about how I'm feeling. The horses always respond to what we take into the space with them, whether we're feeling anxious, worried, hurried, preoccupied. So the first thing I do is just make sure that I'm feeling present and I'm feeling relaxed. So I'm going to go over to Aurora just here, and then I'm going to go and approach Red after that. So first of all, I'm just going to pause and have a look what kind of behaviour I can see and what kind of emotion they might be showing. So I'm looking at Aurora here, and she looks quite preoccupied. She's got her ear on me and she's got her eye on me, which tells me that she's aware of my presence. She's very comfortable with me being in her space. She's eating and she's not giving me any reason to think that it would be a problem if I walked up to her. I'm not forcing anything, but I do want to know that she's seen me so I don't startle her. So I've come up to her shoulder. Because I know her, I'm going to squat down and see if I can get her eye contact. I just check in with myself. Horses are very sensitive and will pick up on our emotions. So I consciously let go of any concern, tension, or need to hurry and come into the present moment. To help me, I do things like listen to the sounds around and feel my feet on the ground. I hold my hand out to say hello. This feels like the equivalent of a fist bump. Now I'm walking over to Red with the same 4 steps I use on Aurora. Be calm and present, observe from a distance, read the body language, approach from the side and greet gently. Same steps apply, but with bigger horses give them more space. Respect goes a long way. So approaching a horse safely is about respect, awareness and calm energy. And if you get those things right, then the rest will follow.